In this video, I will show you how to trade on Vantage, including how to buy and how to sell. First, sign into your Vantage account. At the top, click Accounts. I will use a demo account for this example. If you don't have one yet, click Open Account, select Demo Account, fill in the form, and create your demo account. Once your demo account is ready, click the Trade button next to it. You can choose between different trading platforms like Vantage Web Trader or ProTrader. I will use ProTrader, so click on it. This will open ProTrader in a new window. Inside ProTrader, you can search for any trading instrument. Click the search box in the top left corner and type what you want to trade. For example, I will search for Ethereum and select Ethereum/USD. You will now see the chart and the trading panel. To place a trade, choose whether you want to buy or sell. You can also choose order type such as market, limit, or stop. For a limit order, type the price you want to enter at. You can also set the lot size and add a take profit and stop loss level if you want to automate your exit. Once everything is set, click Buy to open a long trade or click Sell to open a short trade. The process is the same for both directions. That's how you open trades on Vantage using ProTrader. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more trading tutorials.